20 YouTube videos idea that will blow up your channel. So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Bree, and you guys are probably thinking कि भाई ये कैसा intro है, कहाँ से शुरुआत हो रही है? Well, that is because this is not a regular vlog. Today I'm here with something totally different जो कि मैंने अपने चैनल पे पहले कभी नहीं किया, but I thought I should do it now. Alright, so now you're probably thinking कि ये बंदी कर क्या रही है? So let me just tell you मैं कर क्या रही हूँ. Well, this was my milkshake जो कि मेरा dinner replacement था, तो मैं ये कर चुकी हूँ. Thanks Naz for making me some milkshake. It was delicious. मेरे पास gum थी because gum helps me focus with anything that I'm doing. Is that too weird? Is it? I don't know. Let me know if you do the same thing. Anyway, gum में इसलिए मेरे पास होती है whenever I'm doing something serious. And then I have some pen and Alright guys, so what I did today is actually I got some 20 YouTube videos idea that will blow up your channel. So if you're a new YouTuber or a small YouTuber or someone who wants to just get more views and grow their channel, keep watching these videos. I made a list, but I'm not gonna share the list with you guys. Rather, I made some PowerPoint. So let's just get right into it, and you can take a screenshot of any PowerPoint जो आप लोगों को लगता है will be helpful for you. Now let me just put it here कि मुझे 100% sure नहीं है कि ये videos help करेंगी या नहीं करेंगी, but जितना मैंने research की है, they seem to be doing great. So now let's go. So very first one is testing any TikTok hacks. It can be just pretty much anything. चाहे cleaning है, चाहे cooking है. जैसे पिछले दिनों में coffee की बहुत ज़्यादा थी famous. Just any TikTok hacks will do great on YouTube. The second one is what's on my iPhone. Or any phone in general. जो भी phone आपके पास है उसको दिखा दें, उसकी video बना दें. People are interested to know what's in your phone. Number 3 is your quarantine favorite. It can be outfit, it could be makeup collection, it could be anything that's your quarantine favorite. Number 4, things to do when you are bored, or what to do when you're bored. Number 5, how to edit a YouTube video. Especially if you're good at it, people would love to learn from you. So that's a very good video to do for your YouTube channel. Number 6, how to make good thumbnails for your YouTube videos. Number 7, drinking a gallon of water for a week or a month and then you show your results. Number 8, working out for a whole month and sharing your results. Number 9, how to de-stress, especially आजकल के time में जब everybody is bored and stressed. Number 10, and this one gotta be my favorite. So basically make a boring outfit look cute or make a boring outfit look fun. And if you do one of these, please do tag me or let me know because I would love to watch it. Number 11, how to get monetized on YouTube. It's a great video to make, so if you can do it, please do so. And hopefully you'll do great for your channel. Number 12, redecorating your bedroom. Number 13, sharing your morning routine. These videos actually tend to do really good on YouTube channels. Number 14, make a reaction video. You could react to another YouTuber's video. Number 15, make a wall decoration video with like simple items and ideas. Number 16, what I got for my birthday, my anniversary, my graduation gift, whatever. Whatever you got, just share it. People love to see it. Number 17, makeup collection or decluttering your makeup. Number 18, make challenges video like I do with my husband. Number 2019, make a review video. It could be a product or a place. Last but not least, make a video about YouTube video ideas just like this one. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care, bye.